I hope you're having a great Christmas or holiday, whatever you celebrate. This is going to be a really short video for me. I'm just trying to free up some space. I know that sounds funny, but I had done a couple short videos of like mini tips that I was keeping, and I was going to do a compilation and put them all together, but I ended up having to delete some for storage, but I kept one because I thought it was a really good tip, and it's short, and I'm going to insert the clip after this. But I just wanted to say that I hope everybody is having a great holiday season, and I'm doing videos, so there will be videos for Christmas, but this one's just going to be really short. It's just a short tip because, like I said, I've done like little ones that I've kept, and I was going to do a compilation, but it didn't work out because of phone storage. I'm sure anybody who does this or knows about that understands. So I'm trying to free up storage so that I can delete this clip finally, so that I can pass it on to you because I think it's a good tip. So without any further ado, I'm gonna insert the clip here, and I hope you all enjoy it. And here we go. This is just a little mini tip before I get started with the restoration and show you all of my supplies. This is just a cheap, came in like a 3-pack from the dollar store, sort of like magic eraser or whatever you want to call it material, because there's all different kinds of store brand ones. What I do for the dolls, I just have this here because this shows you a full one. I haven't even used a full one yet. This is another one. I just cut them down. This is one that I've used, obviously. I just cut them into little squares like this, and then that way they're easier to manage and smaller, so you're not using a whole thing for when you're restoring the dolls. See, they fit the, you know, if you have things that you want to get smaller, works much better. So that's just a little tip from me to you, things that I do that keep costs down, because you don't need to spend a lot to take care and love your collection. So I just wanted to pass that along. That was the end of my mini tip. I hope that it was helpful to somebody. I really do love just sharing my knowledge, because like I said, I have been restoring and dealing with dolls for a really long time. So I know a lot of things and know a lot of quick tips and cuts that can help other people. So I'm trying to, like, you know, be helpful to y'all through all of the things that I've had to go through to get to the knowledge that I have to clean dolls. Because I have, like, I know I did a long video for y'all where you can see from start to finish like a lot of what I do, but I have a lot of like easy cuts and quick things that I know how to do, that I can do when I'm doing bulk things, that just, you don't even think about those things. And then when somebody says I do it like this, you're like, oh yeah, like that'll help me. So that was the point of this little short video, and I hope everybody enjoyed it. I hope you're having a good holiday season wherever you are. If you're new, hi, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever you celebrate. You're so welcome here. Everyone's welcome here. Please be kind to one another since it is the holiday season. Try and take care, and I will definitely see you soon, because I've already filmed a few videos, but like I said, I'm needing to free up space. So that's what this is about. I hope everybody enjoys it. Take care. Have a great day.